Smoky exhaust, engine feeling sluggish, or a whining noise coming from your engine are signs that it may be time to replace the turbocharger in your Detroit Diesel Series 60 14-liter engine. Restore the power in your Series 60 with the Garrett Turbocharger from Highway and Heavy Parts. Making sure your turbo is running smoothly and effectively can help make your Series 60 last longer, so it should be high on your list of priorities. There's no better way to regain the power, performance, and horsepower of your Series 60 than with the Garrett Turbocharger, available from HHP. Your turbocharger helps increase the power of your engine without the need to increase its size. Installing this Garrett Turbocharger takes wasted energy and turns it into something you care about: power for your engine. Don't risk the health of your Series 60. Buy a high-quality Garrett Turbocharger from America's trusted diesel engine parts supplier, backed by a 12-month warranty and industry-leading service from our ASC certified technicians. And don't forget to check out HHP's wide selection of diesel engine parts, keeping your truck out of the service bay and on the road with Highway and Heavy Parts. Connect with HHP for industry-leading technical knowledge, quality diesel parts, and fast shipping. Order now by calling 844-447-1453 or visit us online at highwayandheavyparts.com. From diagnosis through delivery, we're Highway and Heavy Parts.